Before you scroll, pause for just a second. Ask yourself honestly, are you truly okay living paycheck to paycheck? If your money vanishes faster than your phone battery, this video could flip your financial future. Robert Kiyosaki isn't here to give you a pep talk. He's here to dismantle the broke mindset and show you what the wealthy actually teach their kids. This is your wake-up call. Now imagine this. 6 months from now, your finances are stress-free. No bill anxiety, no trading your hours to make someone else rich. Feels unreal? It doesn't have to be. What we're sharing isn't hyper fantasy. It's a raw, real plan to break the financial loop. If you're tired of just getting by, Kiyosaki didn't write Rich Dad, Poor Dad to inspire. He wrote it to expose the truth. The system you were taught is rigged to keep you working, not winning. Schools hand out diplomas. Kiyosaki hands out red pills. Working hard for money, it's the slowest path to wealth. And the longer you ignore this truth, the more you pay for it, with time, freedom, and potential. What you're about to hear might shake you, but that discomfort, it means growth. This isn't fluff. It's a shift in mindset that once triggered, most never return from. If you're ready to rewrite your financial story, stay with me. Every second of this video builds to one crucial truth that can change your trajectory, but only if you stick around. If you're all in, comment below. I will be the first trillionaire in my family. I'll heart your comment to show you're not alone. Like and subscribe if you find value. It takes a second and helps us reach more future builders like you. Let me share something personal. A few years ago, I was trapped in survival mode, counting down to payday, convincing myself that grinding harder would eventually pay off. But each extra effort felt like running on a treadmill. Lots of motion, no real movement. I had mistaken effort for progress. Like many, I believed hard work was the key. That's what school drilled into us. But the truth? I was filling a bucket with a hole at the bottom. Then came the shift. I discovered something no one teaches you. Money has a language, and I'd been financially mute. When I started learning from people like Kiyosaki, everything began to change. The wealthy don't play the same game. They don't even play on the same field. They speak the language of assets, not ours. We're taught to be good employees, follow orders, show up, earn a paycheck. That's the language of dependence. But the wealthy, they build assets. They think in systems. They create leverage. Take Warren Buffett. He didn't climb to the top by clocking in. He learned to make money multiply. Elon Musk didn't reach billionaire status by budgeting his paycheck. He solved massive problems and let the value flow in. So let me ask you, are you fluent in the language of money? Or are you stuck translating your life into hours worked and bills paid? Until that mindset changes, the cycle won't. I've lived it. I thought hustle was the answer, but what I needed was clarity. Learning the language of money isn't greed, it's strategy. It's learning the rules of the game so you can win. And once you learn it, you can never unsee it. Comment below. I'm done chasing money. I'm learning its language. I'll respond to every comment because that mindset shift is everything. Before you chase money, you must rewire how you think about it. This isn't about wishful thinking or blind optimism. It's about reshaping how you value time. Because here's the truth. Schools taught us hard work equals success. But that formula is outdated. Wealthy people don't treat time as a trade. They treat it as capital. They build things that make money while they sleep. I used to think the solution to my money problems was more hours, more hustle. But I hit a wall. There are only 24 hours in a day. That's when I started studying Kiyosaki, Naval, Buffett. None of them said, work longer. They said, build smarter. Kiyosaki didn't get rich with a high salary. He invested. He created systems. An employee earns when they show up. An investor earns even when they don't. One trades time for money. The other buys back their time with money. So here's your mirror moment. Are you building income that relies on you or income that runs without you? The real flex isn't quitting your job. It's choosing freedom. Comment, I'm buying back my time. That's your first declaration of freedom. If this message hits home, please like this video and subscribe. Drop I subscribed in the comments and I'll personally reply. Now here's what you do next. Month 1, stop trading time for cash. Start treating time like equity. Every hour builds something bigger or burns energy. Be intentional. Think about the hours you've spent hustling for tiny returns. Now imagine building a system that scales without you. A digital product, passive income, a growing portfolio. That's the start of wealth. Start creating a long-term vision. No, you won't be rich in a month, but you'll plant the seeds. Wealth is grown, not won. By months 2 and 3, launch 2 new income streams. You don't need to quit, just test. Sell a skill, start a microservice, invest $50. It's not about perfection. It's about momentum. The first time I earned outside my job, it was a small win, but it hit different because it was freedom. By month 6, it's time to scale. If something works, double it. Don't just hustle. Optimize. The rich aren't addicted to effort, they're addicted to scale. Comment below. I'll build my time, not burn it. That's your declaration. I'll support everyone who drops it. Now, here's the raw truth. You were taught how to memorize facts, not manage money. They never taught you wealth, just work. And that was never by accident. The system doesn't reward freedom, it rewards obedience. But if you want out, you have to choose differently. Rich dad, poor dad opened my eyes. The rich don't work for money, they make money work for them. That flipped my worldview. I started reading, studying, and building. And now I ask you, 6 months from now, do you still want to be stuck? Or waking up to assets growing, money multiplying, and time finally yours? Comment, I'd rather be free than safe. That line, it says everything. If this video helped you shift even 1% of your mindset, let me know in the comments. Type, I watched till the end, and I'll drop a heart, because that means you're serious. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell. We share real financial game weekly, and it's 100% free. Now go watch our next video. It could change everything. You are the real money makers. Let's build together.